Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate ganache for strawberries. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, finely chopped, and 8 ounces of heavy cream. A pinch of salt is also helpful to enhance the flavor. For an extra touch, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a splash of your favorite liqueur. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, prepare your ganache base. Make sure your chocolate is finely chopped. This helps it melt evenly. Pour the heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Watch it carefully and remove it from the heat just as it begins to simmer when you see small bubbles forming around the edges. It's important not to let the cream come to a full boil, as this can affect the final texture of your ganache. Now, let's achieve that perfectly smooth ganache. Pour the hot cream directly over your finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften thoroughly. After resting, gently stir the mixture from the center outwards with a spatula or whisk until it becomes completely smooth and beautifully glossy. Be careful not to whisk too vigorously, as this can incorporate too much air. Finally, it's time to cool your ganache and dip those delicious strawberries. Let the ganache cool down to room temperature, which usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, but still easily pourable. Once cooled, take your fresh, dry strawberries and dip them into the ganache. Place the dipped strawberries on a sheet of parchment paper to allow the chocolate to set completely before serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.